Is your Spotlight search frozen, laggy, or showing blank results on iOS 27? Here are 4 fast fixes to rebuild your search index right now. Fix number 1. To force your iPhone to rebuild its iOS 27 Spotlight search index, go to Settings, scroll down to Search, go to Show Related Contacts, toggle it off, wait 5 seconds, and then turn it back on. Fix number 2. If your iPhone's Spotlight search bar is completely locking up, swipe down on your iPhone's home screen, look for the clear symbol, and then we're going to tap it to clear all your recent searches. Fix number 3. If your entire iPhone is stuttering when trying to search, clear the system memory cache. The way that we're going to do that is we're going to quickly press volume up, volume down, and then we're going to hold the power button until we see the Apple logo. Fix number 4. If your iPhone's background search indexing is halted, check your storage. Go to Settings, scroll down to General, iPhone Storage, and ensure you have at least 10 gigabytes of free storage available. And this will assist in helping your search index actually rebuild so that Spotlight can work better. Let me know in the comments which fix got your search working again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.